Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was down 0.2% today. We don't have any changes in our signals. We're still green on both of our stock and green on both of our bond signals right now. The market's been doing really well, actually, and it's really kind of fun to see. Obviously, if you look at what was being talked about at the end of last year, we're supposed to be having a pretty horrible first part of this year. And yet we are hitting new highs almost every day. And we're really close to getting back above the high that we had last summer, which is around 4,300, which is really, one of the last things I have on my checklist for reversal of trend from primary down to primary up. The news is now talking about the possibility of having, a hard time in the second half of the year. And so, they might be right, but it is interesting to see, how these things work out. We had some soft manufacturing data today. Market kind of came down because of that. I don't see that as a bad thing. Something's got to slow down to bring down inflation. We're already kind of having a recession in the manufacturing area and the goods area as far as that goes. We're really seeing all the push coming through in the service area. Federal Reserve meets again next week. The bet right now is that 80% chance that they will not raise rates at all and just stay put. Really having to do, I think, with a lot of comments that have been made over the last week or so, where some of the Fed governors have talked about, having a pause and then maybe looking to increase it again in July after they get a chance to see some more of the data as far as that goes. There's some talk about, because the debt ceiling has been, resolved, and the Treasury has to push out a lot of new, debt to replenish their coffers, that could be kind of a liquidity drain on the overall markets, could kind of put a cap on some of the run that the stock market might have. So we'll have to watch for that also. So anyway, that's what's happening right now. We continue to see technology kind of outperforming, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thank you very much.